Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of SD Biosensor Standard F Chikungunya IgM IgG fluorescent immunoassay test kit. You can see the box. It says Standard F Chikungunya IgM IgG FIA. This is a 25 test kit pack. You can see this here. This box contains like 25 test devices, 25 numbers of test tube that with the liquid, an assay diluent one, and instruction for use manual. This is like you can see this can be stored in the room temperature. This 25 test kit pack. I can just show you around the box. You can see the reference part number is mentioned here. RQ123-25. So the box looks like. You can see it's 25 test kit. You can see this is manufactured here in India. You can see the lot number, the manufacturing date and the expiry date is mentioned here. Okay. So this is how the total kit looks like. Let me just go around and open this box for you actually. This is sealed here. Okay, got this opened. Okay, got it open for you. Inside the box you can see there is one IFU brochure here. Okay, let me open this. You can see it's Standard F Chikungunya IgM IgG FIA. Okay. Standard IgM until required specimen. You can see the you can see this here. And you can see the kit contents is mentioned here, and the materials required, specimen collected, test procedure, test mode, and the interpretation of test results, the explanation summary. So you have the complete details to conduct the test. Okay. So I'm just keeping it here. Okay. And then further if you go inside, you can see there is 25 pieces of easy tube plus 10 ml. You can see the tubes, 25 pieces. It's called the easy tube plus. The capacity is 10 ml. You can see the reference part number is given and lot number, and also the expiry date is given here. You can see the tubes here. Okay, I'm keeping it here. You can see the tubes. Okay, just this way. And then you have a diluent of a bottle. It says Standard F Chikungunya IgM IgG FIA. You can see the product code is given, and also the buffer bottle lot number. It says buffer bottle lot number and manufacturing and expiry date is also given. It's a 4 ml volume actually. You can see this here. So just keep this here. And then there are 25 cartridges devices. Okay, test devices. Okay, I'm just keeping one here just to show you the back side and the front side. You can see it's a Standard F test device Standard F Chikungunya IgG IgM, which is IgM and IgG FIA. You can see this is one pack in a row. The back side you can see the manufacturing location is given from SD Biosensor from India. The lot number is given, and the manufacturing date and the expiry date is also given here. So you can see this here. Just quickly to summarize here, today we have seen the unboxing of SD Biosensor Standard F Chikungunya IgM IgG FIA test kit. In the 25 test kit pack, you get one IFU brochure and 25 numbers of each tube and 4 ml bottle of buffer bottle and 25 cartridges. This is how the total test kit looks like. Okay, thank you.